alone, even though I'm strong. Need something more than me, someone to push me to victory. Let's see what we can do.
Thanks, Sonic Prime, for this.
Together, me and you can't be afraid to try.
Hey there, what's up, guys?
Be as good as I know, looking back.
And Master Designers, do you remember the new Netflix show, Sonic Prime? And all the new body designs these characters have gotten? Well, you remember that fight at the Battle of the Paradox Prism? Well, this one is the start. Tonight, we're gonna draw 9. A mechanical counterpart from Sonic Prime. This guy? Well, one of Sonic's newest allies. He's not afraid of anything. On Sonic Prime, this guy found a way to fight back and defend himself. He was smart enough to create his own mechanical spider-like tails. Yeah. Just when you thought that 2 of them weren't enough, he took his creativity to another level. He also came up with a way to enhance Sonic's shoes. That is so interesting. Thanks for showing me that, 9. Much like the other rebels who fought against the, well, rather not speak of it. This guy is part of the Resistance, and he's on a mission to make things right. Now we draw his pants. Now here's his shoes. One more thing about him. He found a way to reactivate and re-alter Rusty Rose. And after that, Rusty Rose became a good fighter. Part of the Resistance. There we are. There's his hands. Now we just draw the... we draw his dual colored tails first. And I'm talking about the mechanical ones first. Be sure to draw them one at a time. By the way, he's got this new capability of using a shard's power to mechanically travel through this new dimension known as the Shatterverse. Yeah, that's what I'm calling it. Well, that's what they're calling it. Remember the Paradox Prism? Well, that thing that the enemies were using, well, one piece of it is just a piece of a small energy source.
If you're living in a bubble and you haven't got a care, well, you're gonna be in trouble, 'cause we're gonna steal your air. 'Cause what you got is what we need, and all we do is 30 deep.
Spaceballs.
Watch out with the space balls. With the master of space. Don't mess around with the space balls. Going cruising in a spaceship, we're so good at being bad.
Now we draw this thorn.
We'll destroy a little planet if you ever get us mad. When mothers of the galaxy, you better scatter when you see space balls. Watch out with the space balls. With the master of space.
Here's the spike.
With the space balls. Watch out. Mothers of the galaxy, we're gonna take it while you're free.
Here's his tail.
Watch out with the space ball. Watch out with the space ball. With the master of space. Don't mess around with the space ball. Space balls.
Alright.
Take off at the speed of sound. Bright lights, the colors all around. I'm working hard, maybe fast.
Here's the mechanical arms.
Regrets inside of me. Not looking back, not giving up, not letting go. I'll keep on running. I'm gonna reach for the stars. On over birthday bar. I'm gonna find my way. Take the chance of today.
There he is, everyone. That's how you draw the mechanical genius himself. 9. These tails serve as mechanical legs. Shoot. One more. Better make this one count. Got seconds and counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done it. Did it. In your face. Bad guys. Guys, there he is. That's how you draw a 9 from Sonic Prime. Give it a rest, guys. More mechanical heroes are coming your way. In the meantime, check out the